Verizon router red light fix. So if your Verizon router is showing red lights, it usually means there's no internet connection or a serious connection issue. In this video, I'll show you exactly what you want to check and how to fix it. Right, so what does this mean? So on Verizon routers, a solid red light typically means the router cannot connect to the Verizon network. A blinking red light may indicate a startup or hardware issue. And step number one is going to be power cycling. Unplug the router from power, wait 30 seconds, then plug it back in and let it fully restart. Then unplug the Verizon ONT power cable, wait 30 seconds and plug it back in. The ONT controls your fiber connection. Then make sure that the Ethernet cable goes from the ONT to the router's WAN/internet port. Cables are not too loose or damaged, and no splitters are used. And after restarting both devices, now wait up to 10 minutes. Fiber services take time to fully reconnect. Also, you can use My Verizon app on Verizon's website to check for any outages in your area. A network outage can cause a red light. Also, you can use a Ethernet connection, connecting a device directly to the router using Ethernet to confirm whether Wi-Fi is the issue is a good idea or the entire connection is the problem. So just try doing that. And these are pretty much the fixes. If you want help with Fios slow speeds, router replacement, or using your own router with Verizon, leave a comment and see you soon.